Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best weaving loom kit is probably one of the most relaxing and rewarding creative hobbies you can pick up, perfect for unwinding after a long day or for a fun and engaging weekend project. In this video, we will explore what makes a great weaving loom kit, from the quality of the materials to the ease of use, and help you choose the perfect kit to kickstart your weaving journey. We'll also cover essential tips and tricks to help you create beautiful woven pieces. Number 5. Melissa and Doug Weaving Loom. It's time to unleash your inner artist. This Melissa and Doug loom comes with everything you need to start creating. With its extra-large frame, it's perfect for big projects. The adjustable frame lets you change the size to fit your design. Simple to set up and use. The easy grasp knobs make it a breeze to adjust the frame and switch between crafts. It includes 91 yards of rainbow-colored yarn and 42 picture strips to inspire your creations. Let your imagination run wild. Choose from 4 different projects or design your own colorful animal tapestries. The possibilities are endless. It arrives in eco-friendly packaging, designed for easy opening and minimal waste. Get crafting right away. What we like. It boasts an extra-large frame, perfect for ambitious projects. Its easy grasp knobs and simple design make it accessible for all skill levels. If you enjoy a wide range of crafts and want a loom that grows with your skills, this is the one for you. What people say. It assembles easily. It does not take up much space. Big, sturdy loom that was easy to set up and get going with. The quality of the wood is good and a good size. Number 4. WILLOWDALE Weaving Loom. It features smooth grooves to protect your hands and wool. Made from durable beech wood, it has a sturdy frame and adjustable stand for comfortable use. Perfect for beginners, it lets you create tapestries, mats, scarves, and more. Combine it with an art easel for a complete creative experience. This loom is quick and easy to assemble. The shuttle moves smoothly, making weaving straightforward and fun. Weaving enhances concentration, hand-eye coordination, and fine motor skills. It's a creative outlet that boosts self-esteem. It comes with 2 side frames, a wooden stick, heddle bar, beams, support frames, shuttles, a comb, and all necessary hardware. Yarn is not included. What we like. This loom is built to last with its hard beech wood construction and smooth grooves. The adjustable stand offers comfortable weaving at any height. If you value durability and ease of setup, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. It's very sturdy, easy to use, and I can prop it up in my lap while sitting up in bed. The grooves are very smooth and don't felt the yarn, so it passes very easily through the slots. It is a great size and very easy to set up and use. This one was. It really makes a big difference in the look, feel, and function of the loom. Number 3. Craft Crush Weaving Loom. It's the hottest new craft. Learn to weave beautiful scarves, pillows, and more with this easy-to-use loom. Get creative and make unique items for yourself or as gifts. Weaving is quicker than knitting or crocheting, and it's a blast. It's perfect for beginners and experienced crafters alike. Looking for a unique present? This loom makes a fantastic gift for teens and adults who love crafting. It's fun and easy to learn. Weave items up to 7 inches wide. Connect multiple looms to create even larger projects, or stitch them together for endless possibilities. Everything you need is included, the loom and easy-to-follow instructions. Start creating beautiful, textured items right away. This kit is perfect for teens and adults. Unleash your creativity and enjoy the satisfying process of weaving. What we like. It's designed for quick and fun weaving, perfect for those who want to see results fast. Its modern aesthetic will appeal to those with a contemporary style. If you're looking for a trendy and easy-to-use loom, this is an excellent option. What people say. Easy to use and makes a project go quickly. I was having fun last night. This loom was so easy to use and put together. I made a scarf right away and looking forward to making much more. Number 2. CYCHIRV Weaving Loom Kit. It's based on traditional methods, but makes weaving simpler. Experiment with patterns and create beautiful textiles. Made from natural wood, it's well crafted and easy to use. The knobs make it simple to adjust and switch between projects. It includes a heddle bar for precise tension control, even after warping. You can adjust both top and bottom warp bars using the metal knobs. Create wall hangings, eyeglass cases, phone cases, small bags. The possibilities are endless. Let your creativity shine. This loom is ideal for beginners, kids, or experienced weavers. It's perfect for quick samples or larger projects. What we like? This loom's simple design and included heddle bar make weaving a breeze. Its compact size is ideal for smaller projects and limited spaces. If you are a beginner or looking for a smaller, easy-to-use loom, this is a great choice. What people say. The loom came assembled with well-written instructions. Comes with 2 shuttles and a ball of yarn. I recommend this loom. The loom is well constructed and works well. It comes with 2 shuttles, a comb, the heddle bar, warp and weft threads, and instructions, seemingly everything one would need to complete a first very basic weaving project. Love this loom. Great for all levels if weavers. This one is better than a bigger, more expensive loom I have. Nice that it not only came put together but it was already warped. Number 1. Juexica 7 PCS Weaving Loom Kit. This kit has everything you need to get started with weaving. It includes 7 looms, plus all the tools you'll need to create beautiful projects. These looms are lightweight and easy to carry, perfect for taking your crafting on the go. Their compact size makes storage a breeze. They're made from durable, high-quality wood, ensuring they'll last for many projects. Each loom is well polished and smooth to the touch. Weaving is easy and enjoyable with this kit. The looms are simple to use, making it perfect for beginners and experienced crafters alike. Use it to create a wide variety of items, from clothing and hats to wall hangings and tapestries. Let your creativity shine. There are enough looms to share with friends and family. Start a crafting group and create beautiful things together. What we like? This kit comes with everything you need to get started, including multiple looms in various sizes. Its lightweight and compact design makes it perfect for taking your crafting on the go. If you value convenience and a comprehensive kit, this is the one for you. What people say. Warp doesn't slip and yeah, there are no instructions but YouTube, my friends. The tools I needed to learn to use a loom of this type. This loom kit is okay to start learning weaving on. I like the use of it, but wish it would have come with instruction. I did find some good videos online that helped, but I do not think I would buy this one again for anyone else. To be completely open, I did buy 2 of these looms at the same time. One for my sister and one for myself so that we could learn together. I will be looking soon for a larger lap loom to step up my game in weaving. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.